Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to calculate your pips in MetaTrader 4. I believe it's the same thing on MetaTrader 5. Okay, so this is actually how you do it. When you look at my mouse here, okay, you can see that we are having this symbol here. So you come here, you click on this crosshair, or you can simply click on Control plus F. Okay, you hold Control plus F, and then it's gonna switch to this crosshair that you see here. Once you have this crosshair, you are ready to calculate your pips. Okay, so this is one of the previous trade that we took. So basically our entry was here based on this other block. So from this entry here, our target was this sell side liquidity here. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna come here, okay, put this cross here. The first thing you need to do is to left click. Okay, you left click, you hold, you don't leave it. You left click, you hold, and then you drag it. You can drag it upward, you can drag it downward, but for this case here we were targeting this sell side liquidity here. So you drag it down, and once you drag it down to whatever level you are targeting, you can see that this is 42,000. Okay, so on MetaTrader, your points, your pips are represented in points. Okay, so for you to get the actual number of pips, you need to divide by 10. Okay, so this is the middle number here. This is the middle number. The middle number, it's the one that is representing your pips in points. Okay, so this is gonna be, let's just ignore the 5 and say 42,000. Okay, 42,000 divided by 10, it's gonna give you 420, which is 420 pips. Okay, so this is 42,000 representing your number of pips in points. So if you want to get the actual number of pips, you divide by 10. Okay, so this is actually how you get to do it on MetaTrader. Shalom.